The newly designed OmniCure S2000 Elite improves productivity and provides unmatched control with closed-loop feedback and Intelli-Lamp technology for the highest process quality and repeatability. Our proprietary closed-loop feedback technology automatically monitors and maintains its optical output for the most repeatable curing process. The internal intensity sensor monitors light output in real time and opens the iris to automatically correct light output, ensuring a consistent and measurable irradiance level. The new high-speed shutter's lightning-fast response time ensures the precise dose for your application every single time. The patented Intelli-Lamp technology maximizes lamp life. The 200-watt Intelli-Lamp guarantees 2,000 hours of lamp life through constant lamp monitoring and can typically be used up to 4,000 hours. Leap into the future of UV curing. The all-new OmniCure S2000 Elite by Technologies.